In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transpose your data with 4 different ways, and that along with the pros and cons for each method of them. So stay tuned. Before we start, and as usual, let me tell you that the file we'll be using in this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and follow along with me step by step. Let's get started by checking the data that we will explain on. It's a very simple table containing a product code, list of product codes, and the quantity for each code. All we need to do is to transpose our data and find the pros and cons for each method we are going to explain right now. So the first method is the easiest one because it doesn't require any professional skills. All you need to do is to select your data you need to transpose, Ctrl+C to copy it, or right click and press copy, then go to the place you need to transpose or to put your data, then right click and then choose this transpose method. Like that. As we can see, all data is transposed right now. The product codes are put horizontally like that, and the next line is the quantity. So what is the pros of this method? As you can see, it's very simple and very easy, but we have a disadvantage in it where the data is not dynamic. So if this number is changed to any number else, it will not change as the main table is. And that takes us to the second method, which require one more step, which is copying our data and select the place we need to put our data in transposed, and from our keyboard press Ctrl+Alt+V. From paste special, you can choose transpose, and then here you can choose whether you want to paste formulas only or values or anything, or even all. So let's check transpose and press OK. It's very similar to the first one, but with more option that you can paste only the format or values or comments or validation or anything else. But we have the same disadvantages as the first one, which is there is no dynamic for your data. So you can paste it one time and there is no way to change anything except manually. And that will take us to the third method of transposing your data, which is a little bit advanced. Let's see how we can do that. All you need to do is to select the cell you need to start from and then start typing equal, and then select the first header, pressing enter, and then select the second header, which is quantity. Then you need also to replicate this for the first item only. So we'll here select equal and the product code. Then for the quantity, we will type equal and the quantity. If we tried to drag this to the right side, it will not give the result we need. So how we can come over that? All you need to do is to press Ctrl+H from your keyboard and find equal and replace it with any other text. So we will need to convert the formula to a normal text, and we will reverse it back once we finished. So let's replace equal with Ahmed and then replace all. Now, as we can see, the formula is changed with the name we just typed besides the cell name. Now we can drag our formula to the right side like that, and then reverse what we did before. So let's press Ctrl+H from the keyboard and type Ahmed and replace it with equal. Let's replace all. Okay, so all replaced. Now, as we can see here, everything is done, and the biggest advantage for this is it's dynamic. So in case we change this to 30, now as we can see, it's changed here. If we change this product ID or product code to any other product code, it will be changed here. The same for the header also. If we typed it as product, it will be replaced as product automatically. So this is the advantage of this method, but there is another disadvantage for it, which is the formatting. As you can see, there is no formatting added or the transpose done without formatting. So if you would like to format it the same format, you can just select your table, your original table, Ctrl+C from the keyboard, and select the first header for your transposed data, and from your keyboard Ctrl+Alt+V, and then select transpose and only the format. select the format instead of all, and then press OK. Now, as you can see, everything is done. You can change anything here and it will be dynamically changed with your transposed data. So let's move to the fourth method to transpose your data, which is using a formula or function transpose. Let's try it and type equal transpose and then select your entire table or the data you need to transpose it and close your bracket, press enter. Another tip, if you are using old Excel version like 2016 or before 2019, you will need to do more extra step. Before pressing enter here, you need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. So you will have this curly bracket here. If you are using 365 or 2021, you don't have to do that. All you need to do is just to press enter. And if you would like to copy the format as well, we can replicate the same steps. We will copy the format or our table and then Ctrl Alt V and then go for transpose, only formats, press OK. Now we have everything formatted and it's also dynamic. So if you change this number or anything, it will be changed with you. That was our today's video. Hope it was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumb up and don't forget that the file we use in this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and try it by yourself. Subscribe to our channel to make sure that you will not miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.